What's up, ladies and gentlemen, pyros and pyrettes? We got another unboxing for you guys, and I guess this one's going to be called an unbagging. And this is for the blast bag from Red Apple Fireworks. And we're going to get at it and see what's inside this bag. And so you guys can make a healthy decision on whether or not you want to purchase this bag or not. And for those who's been eyeing this bag and wondering what the heck's in it and wondering if they should get it or not, here we go. This is your time. All right, here we go. Red Apple Blast Bag. Unbagging. Take one. You like that sound? That sound is the zipper. And it's a double zipper, so you can check it out. Zipper here. Zipper here. So, let's see here. First of all, it's packed in pretty good. So, you're trying to get this stuff out easily. Gotta work with it a little bit. Alright, we got some Roman candles. Okay. Don't worry, we'll get another angle once everything's out of the bag. Alright, so we got some Roman candles there. Looks like we got some 10 color sparklers for the kiddos. Okay. Looks like we got a Miracle Fireworks Yellow Bee Fountain. We're going to push this back out of the frame a little so we could see everything here that we get. Next here we got, oh, you know, I said, looks like it emits showers of sparks. And it's pretty light, you guys, so I don't think the tubes go down very far on this one there. Okay. Ooh, a box of bullet crackers. Check that out. A box of bullet crackers, and I think those are 100. Oh yeah, those are probably like aqua bombs. I think they're a version of underwater firecrackers right there. You get 100. All right, it looks like we got a 50 pack of some flash crackers like that right there, and just bang 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 by Miracle Fireworks. Looks like we got a 6-pack of ground flower blooms. These are always fun. Looks like we got a 6-piece of disco flash. And these are those little flashers that emit flashes of light like a strobe. Check that out, disco flashers, a 6-piece. Alright, what else we got here? Bunch of goodies in this thing here. We got a 6-pack of, what is this? Smoke device, smoke balls. 6-pack of smoke balls right here. Moving on, we've got some bang snaps. Awesome. 50-pack of bang snaps. Also another 50-pack of bang snaps right there. Moving on. This is easy to take out of here. Looks like we got a 25-shot Saturn missile battery right there. These are all so far by Miracle Fireworks. Okay. Let's move it on. Let's take this one out here because it looks very hollow, and it looks like a hole is in there. So Oh, we get to see what that looks like. This is called Magic Castle. And I guess it emits showers of sparks. And looks like it was open or torn open by one of the other fireworks. And it's just two little tubes. You can see, and it's all hollow. The rest is hollow. So, there you go. Next we got Golden Flowers Fountain right here. Golden Flowers Fountain there. Miracle firework. These are very light, so this is just nothing but pure pyro fun. I'm going to tell you right now. Don't expect anything glorious out of this, but nothing but fun. So if you've got a bunch of cakes already, a bunch of shells, you know, and you just need a little bit of novelties and some fun to kill the time, this is a good bag. But if you're trying to build a show off of this, or this is all you can afford, then this is a good set. I mean, but you know, here's a pack of assorted fountains. It also comes with, these are pretty heavy. And it looks like you get butterfly fountains. They're all butterfly fountains, and then this one's a flower garden. So you get two butterfly fountains in there, and two, looks like two flower gardens. So that's pretty cool. And those are pretty heavy, so moving on. There we go. Blast bag there. Still blasting. And check it out. You do get a little variety of everything. So we got Fearless Freedom. And this looks like an 8-shot cake here. And the performance is red, white, and blue peony. And it's a repeat. So nice little 8-shotter there. Awesome. I mean, they fit a lot of stuff in this bag, so I mean, you get quite a bit of things for the price. And this one is a fantastic fountain. You know, it's a basic fountain. Emits showers of sparks. There you go. Fantastic, right? That's what we got so far in the blast bag. And we still got a couple more things in here. So, here we go. And check this thing out here. We've got this fountain. And we're going to have to move this back just a little bit more because this is a pretty big fountain. And it's called Uncle Fox. And Uncle Fox is a pretty big fountain. We're going to pick that up there so we can see it. Yeah, this thing probably stands about, I don't know, a foot tall, foot and a couple inches. And it's pretty big. Pretty light, so it's probably got like 1 or 2 tubes in there. But nevertheless, it's a pretty big fountain. It's called Uncle Fox. Here it is. Alright. So we're going to put that back here. There we go. Alright, and last but not least, what we have in this bag here is a pack of rockets. As you can see, these are 2-ounce Winston is what they're called. Winston rocket. 2-ounce rockets, and you get 9 rockets in this pack. That's pretty good. And then that's it. And what else is in this bag? You get performance sheet and logo, and then you can use this bag for, like, you know, putting in all your extra fireworks you have left over from the 4th of July, and my suggestion. And that's it. That's the blast bag from Red Apple Fireworks. Isn't that right, Pyro Kitty? Tell them like it is, Pyro Kitty. Tell them like it is. Pyro Kitty in the house, coming to do the check on all the fireworks and make sure everything's good. And he agrees. Pyro Kitty says it's good. Everything you get in the Red Apple Blast Bag by Miracle Fireworks. Arcade Fireworks. Not bad, I would say. Getting a bunch of firecrackers, 150 firecrackers. You get 6 10-ball shot Roman candles, smoke balls. Get some 10-inch color sparklers. My guess is 6 of them in there. Yeah, 6 piece. Boy, you get 12 rockets, 12 2-ounce rockets, and that's pretty cool too. So that's the blast bag. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Pyros and Pyrettes, Pyro Ronnie, Last Action Pyro is out of here. If you like all the content you see, like and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace and burn, baby. Toodles.